Did you hear the fireworks too? Aren't you a macho man? Ridge, the ridge. You okay? What we didn't catch was him whining about it. You okay, Belle? Did you hear it too? That was a loud one. Yeah? Do you need cuddles? Oh, Blue. Oh, there goes another one. You heard that too? I know. You ready to go back? You ready? Here, you want a stick? This adrenaline we have to get out first. Blue, catch. Catch. Oh yeah? Oh, you missed. How about this one? Belle, can you help me? Thank you. Oh, you saw it? You saw it? You see that little cloud of smoke under the moon? Gruff. Gruff. Come on, let's go. Blue. Good job. All right, let's go load up. Come on, let's go load up. Good job. Mr. Dramatic. Thank you, Belle. See, Miss Quiet didn't like that one because it was too close. Belle, let's go cuddle. Come on, let's go cuddle. Blue, let's go cuddle. Thank you. Belle, let's go cuddle. Come here, I want to come here and cuddle. Thank you, stop and wait. I got you. Wait, right here, just wait. We'll cuddle. You hear the dogs too? You gotta wait. Do you need a cuddle, Belle? Give me your toes. Give me your toes. Give me your toes. Give me. You're not coming out. Are you gonna get mad? Oh God. No, you gotta wait. No excuses. You gonna get mad? Get mad? Wait. Okay, back up. Thank you. Let's cuddle. I know. You gotta wait. See all that? That's adrenaline. Make sure it's safe because he's hyped up. Wait. Okay, out. All right, let's go potty. This way. Ready? Calming down a little bit. Let's go potty. Come on. And we're in a new area. You got to poo too. Go ahead. Did that scare the poo out of you? Come on. Let's go do this. Huh, Belle? Is he pushy? See how close she's staying? I know. Ow. Tripped on the curb. Come on, go potty. Let's go potty. All that is stress relieving. Good job. All that is getting that adrenaline out. You good? Hey, there's somebody's leash. Is that a leash? Who was that? Somebody steal a dog? Did somebody steal a dog? Give me your leash. All right, let's go play. Blue, let's go catch. Let's go find a rock. Or something. Left. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, you're right. Left. Here. Right here. Now he's looking for all those noises that he hears. Somebody squealing tires. We don't have rocks. Oh, you found one. Oops. You okay? Was that embarrassing? Belle, leave it alone, please. Oh, there's no sticks, no nothing. Just dead leaves. Ooh. You ready? Stop. Thank you. Cuddle. There you go. Yeah, good boy. Here. I'm not done playing. You hear that? Belle, stay close, please. Ah, you missed. Oops, sorry. Thank you, Belle. Blue, catch. Let's get it out. Here, you want your leash? Here, Blue. You want your leash? Catch. Get your leash. Get your leash. You want to get it out? Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah. Now we can get that frustration out together. Yeah. Are you? Oh, you're mad, huh? That was pretty intense stuff. Yeah. See, Blue's only biting at the leash and holding it. Good job. You ready? That a boy. Come here. Come here. Slowly winding down. Slowly winding down. More touch. Thank you. You want more? Thank you. Not trying to constantly move forward. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Something poked you in the eyeball. You doing good, Belle? Did you want to cuddle? Do you want to cuddle? Oh, thank you. Here, we'll cuddle. Since Blue doesn't want to cuddle. Hold on. I'm not done, Belle. I had to move the leash. Thank you, Belle. All right, let's go back, please. Let's go load up. Thank you, Blue. Oh, good job. Wait. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Come on. Oh no, we have to go back by where it was at. What'd you miss? All right, we got to go to bed so we can get to safety before another one goes off. Now, if it was actually 4th of July, we would definitely be somewhere else. Blue, I see him. Let's go load up, please. I got to go wash the vehicle. Good boy. Come on. I don't want to. I don't want to. I'm not done. I can't attack nothing. Thank you. Well, come here. Come here. Are you mad now? Are you mad now? Do you want to go up front? Here. Blue. You want to go up front? Go ahead. Oh, funny how that choice worked. I did trick you. I did trick you. Thank you. Here, Belle. In the back, please. Come hang out with your brother. Or you want to go up front? I got to fix everything up front. That's why I'm at the car wash. Thank you, Blue. But in the meantime, we're going to sit here and relax. Good yawn. Good job. I heard it. Thank you. Thank you. You okay, Belle? Wait. Blue, go to bed. Go to bed. Go to bed. Thank you. Let's cuddle. You have to wait. We have to cuddle. Thank you. I'm not, see how that ear, see the ears? That one on the top of the screen, that's the one aiming for the fireworks. This one's aiming for me. See how they're twisted? Thank you. I know. I'm manipulating you right now by doing this. Sorry, this is on my phone, and when you zoom in to put on the light, the flash, it doesn't, you can't do it from afar. So I have to do it from up close. Thank you, Blue. Good job. We'll go potty soon, but I gotta go wash the truck. I gotta go clean out the vehicle. Thank you. Just wait, I heard it. I'll be right back. Just enough to get him to calm down. Hi, Belle. Good girl. Yep, we're going. I'm not even gonna wash the car. We're leaving. All right, Belle, you ready to load up? Belle, ready to load up? I'll help you. I know, I see stuff in the way. Get that out of the way. Get this up here for now. Get these out of the way. Everything else you can step on. Not worried about all that stuff. All right, go ahead, Belle. Load up. This is Scott with EffectiveDog.com, your Bay Area Canine Life Coach.